So here's my hotel in Bangkok. It's the Majestic Suites. Um, Not the most impressive looking place if you're looking at it from the outside, but it's actually a fairly nice spot. And location wise, you couldn't do any better than this. We are literally about a 15-second walk from Soi 4, which is where a lot of the nightlife happens. So I will be doing a room tour, and you'll get to see that. But again, it's a very nice hotel. It's a fairly small one. There is a little cafe. When you first come in, serves breakfast, lunch, dinner. But very nice place. So you'll see more. Alright guys, so here we are inside the room. This is just a standard room. Honestly, I don't know if they have upgraded rooms or anything, but this is the Majestic Suites next to Soi 4 in Bangkok, right on Sukhumvit. So here we have a queen bed. It's actually pretty firm. This is my second night here. I slept on it last night. No issues there. Like I said, not the softest place. Fairly small TV. It's still for Thailand standards, it's not bad. It's probably about a 39-inch TV, maybe 32 inches. Not the biggest room in the world. Those of us that go to Vegas a lot will think this is fairly tiny. But then again, by European standards, it's probably on par with a lot of places you might find over there. So one thing I like about this is, let me take a step back here. So these paneled walls here are covering the windows. So it actually keeps a lot of stuff out. Not exactly, the greatest as far as views go, but it's still, a view. And I apologize about the light in the background. You can see the tracks there, so we're right next to and there you go, right on cue, so that helps out. So we're right next to the BTS SkyTrain tracks. Not very loud. If you're really listening for it, you can hear it, but for the most part, it's not too bad. It's about 4:30, so it's not dark yet, but it's coming down. As you can see, panning down there, so that's Sukhumvit right there. So I'm just going to close those for now. I'm going to show you one of my favorite things about the room. So we got this control here. You've got all the lighting controls right there. The clock, the alarm clock, control the air conditioning as well. One of my favorite things is you've got, you can turn on the do not disturb, so they're not crashing in on you early in the morning, and then you can also press the button when you want the room to be made up. So that's always nice. So no iron or ironing board in this room. You gotta call housekeeping and they'll bring it up to you. I'm probably gonna need to do that later. I'm just wearing a t-shirt and shorts right now, so it doesn't really matter. Got the safe right there, pretty much standard. What you see almost everywhere as far as safes go. They let you use a bathrobe. They do have an umbrella. It's not rainy season, thankfully, so hopefully we avoid the rain. And there's also slippers there. So a lot of space for a small room. As far as the minibar goes, some nice selections right here. They do give you 2 complimentary bottles of water. There's a kettle. as well as coffee and tea. You've got a fridge here now, so the fridge is full of minibar items, but they do leave a little extra space. As you can see, this bottle of Singer right there, I actually bought that at 7-Eleven. But it's actually, as far as minibar prices go, not bad at all. So like Singer beer, and I apologize, I'm looking through my glasses here, 85 baht. So that's about $2.50, you know, right around there. So it's actually not all that bad. And honestly, that's cheaper than the non-happy hour prices for most of the beer. You know, Pepsi is 40 baht, so that's $1.20. Kit Kat 35 baht. So that's just over $1. And actually, that's probably cheaper than you pay in like a Walgreens or any store in the US for those items. Coming over around, so you need to put your key card into this slot right here, and that allows you to have the TV and the lights and all that on. That's pretty standard through Thai hotels. So bathroom, not too bad. It's fairly nice. I mean, overall, the room is pretty good. You know, it's not the greatest thing. I'm not like, you know, in love with it, but location is perfect. Price is great. I paid about $32 US per night for this room from hotels.com. That's a bottle opener. I thought it was weird at first, and it actually is weird. But they don't really do twist-offs here, so you do need a bottle opener. It's just a weird location they chose to put it in because we're right above the toilet here. Speaking of toilet, time for the next installment of Toilet Talk with Anastas. So that right there is what is referred to as a bum gun. Basically, it's a handheld bidet, I guess is the best way to explain it. You can do your reading up on it. It's very awkward to use if you've never used one before. You know, this is my second trip to Thailand. It's still pretty awkward to me. But that being said, this toilet actually has a bidet built into it. So as you can see, you got the rear spray and the front spray, and that negates the need really for the bum gun here. So that is awesome. You know, standard shower, removable shower head right there. Water pressure was great. Temperature control was great. So I did really like it. Only thing I don't really like, it is a very high edge to climb in here. Thankfully, though, they do have some handles for you because it is a little awkward. And okay, hair dryer right there. So yeah, that's about it. So all I can really say, very basic, nothing fancy. Again, price is great, location can't be beat if you are someone that likes to partake in the nightlife. There's basically, I guess for the adult nightlife, whether you're, you know, into that or not, I won't discuss that any further. But there's Nana Plaza and Soy 4, which we're right next to. There's also Soy Cowboy, which is a little bit down the road, not too far. Terminal 21, the huge shopping mall, is about a 10-minute walk from here. I walked it this morning, unintentionally, actually. But there's really everything you need around here. And again, it's, you know, I I would recommend this place. I wasn't very happy with it when I first walked in, but after spending a day here, getting used to the location and everything, I'm really happy with this place. And like I said, for about 32 US dollars, really can't beat it. So I hope you enjoyed that. And if you're just viewing this as someone that wanted to check out the hotel, if you are interested in more from me, I do travel videos primarily focusing on Las Vegas because I travel there 3 to 4 times a year. But there are also other locations that I've started incorporating. I'm a fairly new channel, so I appreciate you checking me out. So please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and again, check out my other stuff and see if you're interested in that. But thank you very much, and have a great one. We'll see you soon.